Adventures asking, we owe about 22,000 on our mortgage. With a trust, would we still pay the rest of the mortgage or are there ways around it?
You may have to still pay the mortgage, yes, but we have ways that have successfully worked for others to get rid of it. You could go watch the testimonials. Uh, I'm trying to remember their first name. It's a lovely family. CN, maybe CIEN is maybe Cena, maybe it's CINA. And her husband, what a wonderful family with a little one. And just this is just one testimony of one way it worked out for them as an example. I have methods, but whether they honor everything, God has to step in and help sometimes. So uh, I'm not saying this works 100% of the time. But you can watch this testimonial that it worked for them. This was a vet that had bad credit. For his person, I was like, "This is how you raise it." He did it. Got a credit card. Got some cash out of it. Got his uh, uh, VA loan, right? Because the XGI, and bought a house, 40 acres out of Montana, I think, for his family and two, wife and I think two little ones at the time. And they did my debt removal stuff, and they got that deed free and clear. And so